Love it when I hit it slow, baby. See your pillow gripping, making all your fingers cross, baby. You be saying tripping. I'ma break you hard, baby. I'ma break you hard. Jumping out of phones, baby. Jumping out of phones.
Oh damn, what the hell? Oh. Well, I guess I just don't have a tripod today. Shit. Damn it. What's up guys, JSQUAD back here with another vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be super exciting for you and me. Well, maybe not for you because, you know. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day that I'm getting my first mod on the Scatpack. Super excited because I know I've seen so many videos already on this mod, and I know that videos don't do it justice and you have to hear it in person. But today, as you can see by the title, I'm getting a mid-muffler delete. I'm going to head over to the muffler shop down the street from me. I'm ready. I've been waiting to get this, and today's the day. But I'm gonna show you like a before and after. I'm gonna show you everything, guys. But I'm fucking excited. I'm super excited to see how the car sounds after he deletes the mufflers and whatever and whatnot. But let me stop talking, and I'll see you guys there. Oh my God. Damn, that looks so nice. What the hell? Alright, let me turn the heater off because that shit is hot. Alright. Where's that mark? Oh, there it is. Woo! I gotta get up. Oh, careful. I don't want to hit Emily's car. Sped you up. Okay, copyright. Hi. I wanted to ask a question on how much mid-muffler delete would be.
Let me go get something for you.
Yeah, thank you. Take it, man.
Which one would you get?
Huh?
If you get him.
What, the exhaust kit?
Yeah.
Probably those. Yeah. Depends if they're. I want four. Four that, or these ones right here. What's up, brother? What's up? Can I get a quote on how much a mid muffler delete would be? Scatpack Challenger? Huh? 90? Oh, okay, cool. Can I do it today or is it too busy? Yeah? Cool. Oh, hell yes.
90 bucks.
90 bucks. Yeah, this is the place. Look at the infinity. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Today, you know what we're going to do today? We're going to customize our cars. That's what we're going to do. What can you do? Open up your hood real quick.
Just find it.
Oh, I wasn't even in the... Damn, where the fuck is it?
Literally right there.
Oh, it's on the bottom. I forget. I'm going to make the SOT red. What's up?
That's going to be
With the caliber. Such a big difference. You know what else I'm going to probably get today just for the fuck of it? The little tiny filter. Just
oh, really?
Yeah, it's a little tiny.
Can I
connect
get
to
that too?
this? Yeah, yours is
Like the same size, right?
Yeah, yours is right here. It's the one that's connected to here, so. Or not?
Okay.
Yes, I think it's either. Yeah, it's this one. That's the only one that's connected. It's the breather. Oh yeah, look. Yeah.
That's it?
Oh, that's hot as fuck.
Yeah. It is supercharged. Keep it.
My chicken nuggets.
Kept the stage the whole time.
Show my license. Okay. I did. Oh my god. So what do you ask?
Huh? I asked him if he could do it before and after.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so this is gonna be the before the modification. I know it. That shit still already sounds nice. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see. Start. Come on. Let's see the start. Come on. Let's hear the start. I mean. See? Oh my god. I don't like it. I bet. Oh shit. That is insane. I'm gonna take the battery off now, baby. Oh my god. Oh, blah 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 blah. That is fucking crazy. Crazy. Turn on slow. Good. Turn it on. You wanna drive off with it? Maybe.
And then I'll just fucking take the camera.
Oh yes.
No. Yeah. Don't crash. We're not crashing on you.
What should I do? I still gotta pee.
You going home? Home? You going home?
still already sounds nice.